Arapahoe, Colorado, America. It's pretty much the middle of nowhere. It has its own charm, I suppose. If you like dirt in the air as well as on the ground, then this is the place for you. We live in a low rainfall environment, 15-17 inches a year. We face some challenges that a lot of growers don't necessarily face. We have low organic matter because of our low rainfall. You gotta have rain for life, and organic matter comes from life, so we're facing that challenge from day one. We're at 4,000 feet, so we get subjected to more hail. We don't get as many growing degree units throughout the year because of the cool nights. We always try to be looking for some way to produce more with what we've been given. I was fortunate enough to be born into a really great family. I want to be able to contribute something back. I don't want to just take all the time. We had the good fortune a couple of years ago where we actually got second in the nation in the National Corn Growers Association contest. So we decided to really start pushing our yields. I think it's worth putting some effort forth to increase the knowledge for farming in general. One of the ways to do that is to become more innovative and to be able to build on the soil and help enrich it. So that we have a legacy to hand down. Century is a fantastic product. We ran it for about 3 years and I really like what I see. We just don't have disease pressure. Our corn plants are very healthy, they're green, happy. I really like it and it's very economical. The Carbos product, I really like that a lot too. One of the things we've done with it is in our fallow land, we throw some Carbos out there so the bugs don't starve and die off. I really think we're seeing increased soil health. We're seeing increased plant health. You can't raise healthier plants than what we're raising. The Liberate product is really good for our area. It helps fight off some of the issues that our high pH presents. It lets our fertilizer be more available, the phosphorus in particular. I really like what we're seeing from it. We've got big equipment, but at the end of the day, it takes people to get things done. It frees time up for me. I like telling jokes. I like farting around. I want to have fun. I want to see everybody succeed. I think it's a great goal. I'd rather have there be more farmers than fewer, and anything I can do to help further that, I'm all for. My name is Mike Rother, and I use Genesis Ag products because they work.